Hey, what's up guys? Today, I want to show you the monitor arm I'm using for this 34-inch computer monitor screen that I have. Now, it depends on you what is the setup you want to do, but for me, from time to time, I want to change the setup from portrait mode to landscape mode. And of course, at the same time, this monitor arm also gives you the flexibility to have the adjustments like having it higher or lower, and you can also change the position of your chair up and down, sideways, different angles. If you keep on moving, trying to have that comfortable position so that you can do more of that computer screen like me. Okay, so I want to share with you, and let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, here it is. This is the monitor arm. It is North Bayou, and the model is F100A. There are other models, but you know what I'm using right now is this one. Now, this is an flexible adjustment settings. This is where you place in the wires. If you have a lot of wires, you can use that one. Okay. Then this has a very easy assembly, or setup. You just plug it like that, then it moves up and down. It has that arm. Then of course you have also the one that's going to be clipped into the computer table. So as simple as that. So the next thing I'm going to do is remove my computer screen from its factory stand. So it depends on you how the stand is, but this one, it has 4 screws. There you go. So the next thing we need to know is how we are going to clamp this one into the table. We don't need to drill anything else. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It depends on how thick your table is, so you can adjust that one. So here, we need to tighten up this one already with an Allen. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to go under and clamp this one. It should be like that. So I'll put it at the back of my table. You can see how easy we can install this one. There you go. Oops, adjust it a little bit. Then tighten it up. Yahoo! Next up, plug this one. There you go. It should move like that freely. And of course, the next one we need to do is the monitor. Make sure it's not going to break my screen. And the arm that connects this one is that. We just need to screw this one, then we'll be able to connect it to our arm right away. There you go, 4 screws that we need to connect here. All right. My screwdriver is a legend. Okay. It's time. You just carry this one up, and then you can see how movable the arm is. Whew! There you go. Of course, that's the initial thing is we need to do some adjustments and try to see if everything is good, because once it falls down, bye-bye screen right away. Okay, so I powered on my computer, then trying to adjust my webcam here. Now you can see it depends on what angle, how tall are you. If you want to get closer to the screen, you can adjust it anytime. Put it up. Voila! I can move my chair, try to fix the angle, and try to put it up. See? It's a little bit shaky, but you know, this will be fixed by some adjustments on. Yeah, the webcam will go off. All right. So sometimes if I do some tutorials and long lines of learning how to code, I basically place this one on portrait mode. So that's one of the concepts that I'm trying to do. At the same time, if I just want to go back to landscape mode, I can go ahead and just twist it back. Just like that. And do necessary adjustments for a bit. You can see how flexible, how easy you can change the orientation, the angle, how low, how high. You can go right or left with this monitor arm. So anyways, this is North Bayou F100A. And of course, you can check the link on the description below.